sounds broke though.
There's one thing in there too. It's heavy. Looks like a glass one. Or... Oh, flowers. Oh my gosh.
That's not broke.
Oh my gosh. I like that. I think the other one is broke.
Okay, it's just one of them though, hon.
That's crazy. You should put that back in the bag. That.
Okay, I'm gonna be careful with this. We might go. Do you want this one to put a jar, maybe?
It's up to you.
We'll take a look.
Put that back in that one, hon. Cardboard. That's crazy.
You have to be careful with this so you don't get cut. Let me put this in a truck.
I like that. Be careful. You can't. The other side. Is it just right there?
Yeah.
It is an air fryer. Maybe put the truck right here.
There's nothing to step on. I don't have a ladder like everyone's told me to get, so I'm gonna lift her up.
There's a ladder there, the small one.
I don't have a ladder. I took it out.
Oh my gosh.
It's just right there.
You're gonna hurt.
Ready? No, I'm not ready.
You're gonna hurt. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Don't.
Water.
Don't.
Okay, I got it.
Don't
Ready?
worry.
I just hope it's.
There's
good.
no. Where is the?
They cut the power cord.
No, it's just a display, hon. I don't think there's a like a motor.
We'll find out. Ooh. They cut all the bags.
Yeah, there's a recall on that one.
Is there?
Yeah.
Dummies.
That's why they cut that.
That's all junk. Candle broke. And then there's some here. On the other side they step up. Humidifier. It's brand new, hon. It just fell out of the box.
This is wet. You can use that for the boys.
It's just dirty. What?
I said why it's dirty. So make sure that cups is not here. There's some cake. Oh my gosh.
Look at all the pop. I have to find. I'm going to just open up the back of the truck.
Yeah. This is overloaded. Oh my gosh. I wish I can help you.
I know, it's alright. Garlic mashed potatoes.
Just to bless everything.
I ain't taking that one. Actually, it's okay. It's just wet. The box. Fix that later.
There's more in there. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. You should get that bag. and put it in there. I don't know what to do. This is the first time we see A. Got more Oreos in there.
Cereal. This bag's just gonna rip on you. It's no wonder I can't lose weight.
What is that? Is that for face?
Fix it in. I'm not gonna take a bunch of that. Well, Sensodyne. That's fixes if you got tight teeth. All right, I gotta get the cereal. God, there's so much. There's so much.
I know. Oh my gosh. So, next. This is crazy.
Got it?
Yeah. Oh, this is heavy.
I'll grab some of this popcorn. Got that?
Oh gosh, there's more in there. Todd is getting all the pops, and I told him not to.
We'll jump back in there.
We get a lot of pop in the house.
Let me sneak in there, hon.
Why are you getting all the pop?
Margarita mix.
Oh my gosh.
All natural. I don't know what it is. Take that. Looks like a helper. You want to put some of it in this? Would that help?
Yeah.
Feel kind of carrot mix stuff.
Get the Ritz crackers. Can you get the Ritz crackers?
What do you want?
Ritz crackers.
Yeah, I'll get it. We got more than what we'll use.
Yeah.
We got to donate.
See? It's full. Even the inside. Ayan. Punong-puno. Oh my gosh.
It looks like it's all
Gosh, it's wet.
this one real fast over here. What is that floating around? Food blender.
Oh,
Mini
look
chopper.
at that. Yeah.
These are all emptied. They emptied all the bags of food. Fun.
Oh my gosh.
It's only two.
Crackers.
Oh, these, no, they're just regular.
Use all this cardboard.
I know. Let's see what that box is.
Alright.
Can't reach that bag. I don't think there's anything in it.
Yeah.
Oh well, we got a couple things. Some more Ritz crack. Man.
You think you looks like someone's already been in there.
Let me grab that bag just in case. Because it doesn't people miss. Kind of heavy, but I don't know if it's something in there or not. I think it's the cardboard that's making it heavy. Yeah. Oh well, I hope Ashton got something. This looks like a bunch of chips.
Chips. Oh my gosh, more foods. I go this way.
Look,
Oh my gosh. Like individual.
that's wet.
Is that theirs? I think it's a
Look here, they threw it away. Might have been out for vending machines. Look, they like little sandwich cookies. Stuff's spilled on it. Something's up. Well, we had a pretty good day dumpster diving. I hope everyone's going to be excited to watch my video and see what we got. Can you see me? This is crazy. We had a major haul, I guess you could say. And I'm not sure what we're going to do with it all. We can't eat it all. But I will start. We found a couple. I'll pull one out if I can. It's cute. I guess it's a candle holder. I think you put candles in there. One of the glass is a broken one, but you can buy these like at the Dollar Tree for $1 or something. Well, now it's $1.25 tree. Actually, I found these are kind of neat. I'm gonna try these. These are solar powered. The box kind of wet. It got wet, but they do work because I saw it light up. They are bug zappers. They run on solar power, and it does work because it did light up. Don't worry, that's just a little base. And I found two of them. Actually, I found another one, but I lost it somewhere in that pile of trash, and I couldn't find it. And I got myself a lamp. When I'm done enclosing the porch, I'm gonna get myself a lampshade. And I found a whole bunch. Let me see. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bottles of Comet Cleaner. I know it's not the right box. I just had to put it. It's spray. I use Comet and excited to get all this. Found another collapsible garden hose with a spray nozzle. It's not hooked up. Hopefully it works good. It's not leaking. And also found a small humidifier. It's brand new in a box. The box was completely just wet. So hopefully, I think this will be okay. I found a couple Easter egg bubble gums. I'll probably choose some of that and see what it's like. I haven't had bubblegum like that in a long time. Oh boy, let me see. Found some muffin mix. This is cornbread muffin mix. It was in a box. Packages weren't wet or nothing. We did have a pretty good rain. Found some roasted garlic mashed potatoes. I think these will be all pretty good. Found some apple cinnamon chips. I know I got more of these probably, but they're just, everything's a mess. Found a whole bunch of these veggie chips. I didn't realize they were veggie chips. I'm not sure. I mean, I'll try it, but I'm not a fan of veggie chips. But I do like kettle cooked potato chips. I will keep these. Definitely. These will be delicious. I'm not going to pick up all these. I found a bunch of cheddar cheese pretzel bite things. I've never seen these before, but I like pretzels, so it'll probably be alright. And we found a bunch of individual, like, small bags, some cookies, chocolate cookies. Let's see, what else did we get? We got ourselves, it's some type of a chocolate pickup truck. So, I don't know about that. Found a, little portable, not portable, but a little tiny mini chopper. Chops up your, vegetables, what do you want to, grind up, I guess. Found a little cup. I didn't want to throw it, get rid of it. Or not get rid of it, but put it back. It's missing a lid, but heck, I might just fill it up, put some water in it. And everybody loves yum sauce, right? So, it's yum. Found a brand new razor. It actually, it works. Already checked it out. I can't reach everything. Found a whole bunch of these little, not a whole bunch, like 5 or 6, Scope mouthwashes. And found some Fix-A-Dent, whenever you want to secure your dentures. Fake teeth, false teeth.
Yeah, okay.
So, this is Sensodyne. It's a, I think that's actual toothpaste. Alright, pretzels. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 of them, I think. I don't think there's one of them.
Yeah, it's 8.
8 of them. That's pretty good find. I like pretzels. And we found 2 packs of these little waters, and then 1 pack of this here fancy water. Looks fancy to me. You guys can see it. Sorry, I just can't reach everything. This is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. I never had these before. These are brownie. It's brownie brittle. I found 9 boxes of these. It looks pretty good. I might try a pack. Maybe take it to work. And found some hamburger helper. That's a twin pack. That's stroganoff, beef stroganoff. Fry up hamburger and put it in with it. I used to make these all the time. These are like a scalloped potato. They're okay. They're not the greatest, but now this I will definitely. This is chicken fried rice. That looks actually good. I don't know how many of these there are. There's quite a bit. The same with this beef stroganoff stuff. There's a whole bunch of it down here. Okay, I got 3 actually of those, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of the chicken helper chicken fried rice. Sounds like I'll repeat myself. Now we found a whole bunch. Yeah, a bunch of it. Probably about 10 of these Duncan Hines carrot cakes.
4. Hold on, I'm trying to count. 6, 8, 10. There's 12 in here.
No, not this.
That's the same. Looks like cake mix.
Well, there's like maybe 8 of these, and then these are cookie cups. I don't know what those are. There's 4 or 5 of these, and then there's probably about 8 or 9 of these no bake bites cookie dough. I don't know what they're like. But I'm definitely going to try it and see what it's like. Alright.
Let's go with the cereals.
Oreos. Once again, one of our favorites. Got 3 packs of these. Oh, one family size. And then, of course, we had to find 2 big party sizes. Cereal. I couldn't even take all the cereal. So hopefully someone got it before it rained. We got it just before it rained. So luckily we saved some of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes of the Hershey Kiss cereal. I'm definitely going to keep 1 or 2 boxes. The Trix family size. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. We're definitely going to keep maybe a few boxes because I know the kids actually eat this too.
Excuse me.
I gotta come out. Had to come out to do some of this. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes of Frosted Flakes. That's with marshmallows. I've never seen it with marshmallows before, but Frosted Flakes are pretty good. And I've never seen this before, but this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes of the JoJo Silva. I don't know.
She's famous.
Isn't it looks like
YouTuber.
like a Trix cereal
For
with
girls,
marshmallows.
yeah.
But I'll keep a box of it, you know, and try it. And we found a bunch of these party size Ritz crackers. And Ritz crackers, man, they were really delicious. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. And I don't know why they throw this stuff out. There's nothing wrong with it. And now to the main event. And here's to the main event. And I actually left some of this behind because I just couldn't get it all. But there was, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16. I grabbed 17 12 packs of Faygo Cola and Lemon Lime. It's called Twist, but I already had one because after dumpster diving and getting all this stuff, I was so thirsty and there's nothing wrong with this stuff. So I hope everybody enjoyed our videos. We enjoyed doing this and we had a lot of fun. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you very much.